Welcome back, Doodlers. Here, we'll use our Ohuhu markers. BG082 Cool Gray 082, G for 72 Vivid Green. WG170 Warm Gray 170, G55 for Bronze Green. E280 Brown Gray, G28 for Pale Green. Y691 Melon Yellow, YR792 Orange. MG170 Blue Gray 170, Y495 Lemon Yellow. With a pencil, let's draw our guidelines. We'll draw two parallel diagonal lines. Then draw up to where you want your drawing will be. Start making the rough shape of the candle flower and its leaves using oblongs. Candle flowers has a white part protruding between the yellow petals, so draw them too. Then add some smaller oblongs for the other flowers in the background. Add a diagonal line intersecting the previous two. This will serve as our horizon. Next, erase the pencil lines lightly. We'll use a colored pen to draw the outlines of the flowers.
Let your friends know you enjoyed watching by sharing this video.
Using WG170 Warm Gray 170, we'll draw the outline of the white parts. First color for our yellow petals is E280 Brown Gray. Put it on the darkest areas of the yellow petal. Next is YR79 orange. Then Y691 melon yellow.
I also have an Instagram account. Follow me at Doodles_flowers.
Leaving enough space for other colors. Lightly put the G284 pale green on the random tips of the petals. Using Y495 lemon yellow, finish up the rest of the petals. With BG082 Cool Gray 082, color in the darker parts of the stem and leaves. Using the previous colors we used for the first two flowers, let's color another flower.
If you have any comments or suggestions, please leave a message in the comment section below.
Next, with G47 to vivid green, we'll color in the stem and leaves. Adding some details with a white gel pen helps give more life to the drawing. And to carry on with the other flower, we'll use the same color, G47 to vivid green, for the leaves and stem. Now with the background flowers, start with wire 7/9 to orange. Then, Y691 melon yellow and E280 brown gray. Another round of the white gel pen for the highlights. With WG170 warm gray 170. We'll map out the parts where the leaves and stems are in a darker shade in the background. G55 for bronze green for better contour of the leaves and stems.
I also have an Instagram account. Follow me at Doodles_flowers.
Add some white gel pen details to the colored parts. Touch up some places with the G47 to vivid green. Using a gold marker, we fill up the space left inside the border markings we did earlier.
Let your friends know you enjoyed watching by sharing this video.
And we're done. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, please click the like button, and I'd really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. To keep you updated, ring the notification bell.